Whether I'm riding on my indoor bike or outside, I love being able to have my phone with me. That's why I love this phone holder from Bone Collection. I'm Stacy with WTI, and as a fitness instructor myself, it's really important to have your phone while you're teaching. That's why I love this holder even more. The phone holder is made out of a nice silicone. It's nice and light, so I can take it with me when I go to my classes or when I'm outside. I also really like that it has reinforcements on both sides. So once I place this on my bike, it stays in place with no problem. It feels nice and secure even through the toughest of bike rides. The phone holder itself has these four edges that grip right around my phone, keeping it securely locked in place even when I have to touch the screen, when I'm checking some music that I'm listening to, or when I'm checking how I'm doing on my bike ride. But I really love using it for my indoor cycling. I love that I can take this with me when I go to teach classes, and I always have my phone so I can check the time, and I am prepared for class, prepared for doing in my indoor workouts at home as well. And that's my point of view.